Hi Mom, I am back. I am so hungry now.
Where did you go?
I made a consultation with my tutor.
Paul, you should know our family rules. You need to tell me what you learned today from school then, or else you can't have the dinner.
Okay Mom. I learned hazard function today.
Hazard function? What is that?
The hazard function is also known as the failure rate, hazard rate, or force of mortality. Let me explain failure rate firstly. Failure rate widely used in engineered system, or component fails, for example, in failures per hour. It is often denoted by the Greek letter lambda. A car's failure rate in its 5th year of service may be many times greater than its failure rate during its 1st year of service. Similarly, people are easier to die at elder age than their young generation because elder people catch up diseases easily like cancer and so forth.
Wow. Sounds amazing. But what is the force of mortality?
Force of mortality represents the instantaneous rate of mortality at a certain age measured on an yearly basis.
I am going to grab something to drink. What a hot day is it? Wait, then why do we need the force of mortality?
I am so hungry, Mum.
Do not change topic, Paul.
It is useful to apply in real life. For example, if you know someone's force of mortality rate is exactly at age 60, if you want to find the probability of the people dies on his 60th birthday, it just take 8/365.
Yup. However, how can we find the force of mortality?
That is so easy, Mum. The force of mortality is denoted by μx. Also f(x), known as probability density function of capital Fx. S(x) is survival function also known as TPX. Therefore, μx equal probability density function Fx over Sx. In a life table, we consider the probability of a person dying from age x to x plus 1, called Qx.
Not bad. It seems that you did not sleep during class. Is there any model explain hazard function?
Yup, there are 5 models. Kaplan-Meier, Nelson-Allen, Cox model, binomial model, Poisson model. These models are called hazard model.
Smart boy. Could then briefly explain one of them to me?
Sure, Mum. Poisson probability distribution describes the number of rare events that occur in a space of time.
What do you mean by rare events?
Like automobile accidents, industrial accidents or other type of accidents in a given unit of time or number of errors a typist make in typing a page.
Wow, that is interesting.
By the way, we can use one of hazard models to calculate the hazard rate. And then we can find the lowest hazard or highest hazard.
What is highest hazard and lowest hazard mean?
Lowest hazard mean the probability is the hardly happen, whilst highest hazard mean that the event will occur at the highest probability. It is to help manager to make decision how to avoid some events which will make lose for company in the future.
Well done, my son. I love you so much.
Can I have dinner now, Mum?
Of course. The dishes are getting cold now. Hurry up and come to eat, Paul.